Do you want to speak English confidently?
Today's story will show you how easy and fun learning English can be.
Hello, friends.
Welcome back.
This is Simple English Lab.
We are happy you are here.
Please subscribe
Please like.
and please share.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Daniel, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Today's topic is very useful.
What is the topic?
Today's topic is talk in English at the restaurant. Daniel, look at this restaurant. It's huge.
Wow, it's so fancy. I feel a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. We'll have fun.
Okay, so where do we sit?
Let's ask for a table. A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
Perfect. Follow the waiter.
Okay, careful, careful.
Don't trip.
Wow, the table is nice and cozy.
And the chairs are so soft.
I like that. But I'm already thinking about food.
Of course you are.
Can we see the menu?
Yes, here it is. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
Starters first. I want garlic bread.
Sounds good. I'll take a small salad.
Main course. Spaghetti for me.
Grilled chicken for me.
Drinks.
Iced tea.
Lemonade. Extra ice.
Ready to order.
I'm starving.
Me too. The smell, amazing.
Garlic bread first.
Salad for me.
Pizza smells so good too.
I'll taste your pizza later.
Deal. Spaghetti looks perfect.
Chicken smells delicious. Chocolate cake, of course.
I'll save room.
Everything looks amazing.
I can't wait to taste it all.
Me neither. This is going to be fun.
The waiter seems nice.
Yes, very friendly.
First bite, garlic bread. Perfect.
Salad, fresh and crisp.
Spaghetti, cheesy and delicious.
Chicken, soft and flavorful.
Drinks are great.
Iced tea is perfect.
Dessert soon?
Definitely.
Today is perfect.
Absolutely.
Can't wait for the chocolate cake.
Me neither. This is one of the best meals already.
And it just started.
I'm already smiling.
Me too.
Daniel, look at this menu. So many choices.
Wow. I don't know where to start. Everything looks good.
Maybe we can share a starter. Garlic bread.
Extra cheese?
Absolutely.
Main course? I'm thinking pizza today.
Mushrooms and cheese again?
Can't resist.
I'll try grilled salmon. Feeling a bit fancy today. Drinks?
Lemonade, extra ice.
Iced tea for me.
And dessert. Chocolate cake to share?
And of course, can't skip dessert.
Garlic bread first?
Yes, before anything else.
Feels like a feast already.
Can we finish everything?
We'll try.
Let's call the waiter soon.
I can't wait.
The smell, I'm drooling already.
Don't eat all the pizza before I start.
Okay, I'll share.
First bite of pizza, heaven.
Salmon looks amazing.
Drinks are perfect too.
This is turning into a proper meal adventure.
Garlic bread is gone already.
We'll order more next time.
Dessert soon?
Always.
Chocolate cake, here we come.
Daniel, the waiter is coming.
Hope he's friendly.
He seems nice. I'll have grilled salmon, please.
And I'll have pizza with mushrooms and cheese.
Iced tea, please.
Lemonade, extra ice. I'm so hungry.
Me too.
Don't eat all the pizza before I get a bite.
I'll share.
First sip of lemonade. Perfect.
Iced tea is refreshing.
Garlic bread looks tempting.
Let's start with it.
I feel like a king. Pizza and garlic bread.
And I'm feeling fancy with salmon.
Dessert later?
Definitely. Chocolate cake, this meal is turning into an adventure.
I like it. Trying new things. Garlic bread is amazing.
Yes, cheesy and crunchy.
Pizza time.
Salmon first.
All right, I'll steal a slice later.
I knew it.
Spaghetti looks perfect too.
Mine too. So flavorful.
Drinks are refreshing.
Lemonade is cold. Iced tea is just right. I love how everything smells.
First bite, wow.
Salmon melts in your mouth.
Pizza is cheesy heaven.
Garlic bread disappeared fast.
We'll order more next time.
Dessert soon?
Always. Chocolate cake is calling.
I'm so full already.
We'll make room.
Can't skip dessert.
Agreed.
Daniel, chocolate cake looks perfect.
One slice each?
Of course.
Smells incredible.
First bite, heavenly.
So chocolatey. I love it.
Do you want coffee too?
Maybe later. Dessert first?
I can't resist chocolate.
Me neither. One more small piece.
Okay, I'll take a tiny piece too.
Perfect balance.
We did good today.
And still smiling.
Always.
That was amazing.
I'm so full.
Every bite was worth it.
I loved the salmon.
Pizza and chocolate cake. Unforgettable.
Drinks were perfect too.
True. Lemonade and iced tea.
Time to go?
Yeah, let's pay.
I'll grab my bag.
Bill looks fine.
Everything perfect.
Let's leave a smile.
Always.
That was one of the best meals.
I agree.
Next time, we'll come back.
Definitely. Can't wait.
And maybe try something new.
Yes, new flavors.
Today was perfect.
Perfect ending.
Time to go home, full and happy.
Absolutely. Daniel, look, there's a new dish today.
Really? What is it?
It's called Spicy Mushroom Delight. Sounds interesting.
Spicy mushrooms? I like mushrooms, but spicy?
We won't know unless we try.
True. Let's order one to share.
And maybe our usual starters too. Garlic bread, of
Extra cheese?
course.
Drinks?
Iced tea,
Lemonade? Extra ice.
perfect.
Wow, garlic bread smells amazing already.
First bite, cheesy heaven.
Now the spicy mushrooms? Let's see.
Wow, very flavorful. Not too spicy.
I like it. Surprising taste.
Definitely. A new favorite maybe.
Main courses?
I'll try grilled salmon again.
Pizza with extra mushrooms for me.
Drinks first,
Lemonade. Refreshing.
iced tea, perfect.
First bite of pizza. Delicious.
Salmon is soft and flavorful.
I didn't expect this mushroom dish to be so good.
Sometimes surprises are the best.
Dessert soon?
Chocolate cake, of course.
Can't skip dessert.
Sharing is fun too.
Agreed. First the cake.
Delicious.
I'm happy we tried the new dish.
Me too. Restaurants always have little surprises,
Makes dining exciting.
and every bite counts.
Today was perfect.
Absolutely.
Emma, that was one of the best meals.
Agree, every bite, amazing.
Pizza and salmon, unforgettable.
Garlic bread, still thinking about it.
And chocolate cake, perfection.
Drinks were perfect too.
Iced tea and lemonade, just right.
Time to pay?
Yeah, let's get the bill.
Everything looks fine.
We enjoyed everything.
Definitely. The waiter was friendly too.
Always nice to have good service.
I'm so full.
Me too, but happy.
Shall we leave a smile?
Absolutely.
Time to go home.
I feel satisfied and relaxed.
Today was perfect.
Next time, maybe a new dish,
Yes, something different.
but chocolate cake again for sure.
Always.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. Every moment was fun
Food, laughter, conversation, all perfect.
and new memories.
This meal adventure was unforgettable.
Absolutely.
Walking out full and happy, the best feeling.
I'll remember today.
Me too.
Until next time, Daniel.
Until next time, Emma.